So guys, in the last episode we were here with the Philippines Department of Tourism handing out Filipino ice cream to the public and getting their reactions. This time we're gonna check out the Filipino Pili Pili nuts and coffee.
These on these, right?
Yep, it's the one in Banawe.
My friend!
Hey, so you tried some of the piri nuts and some of the Filipino coffee.
Yeah.
How did you find it?
Baby girl, you're so damn fine. Don't wanna know if I can hit it from behind. I'm sipping on you.
So pili nuts are actually the world's healthiest nut, and they come from a region in Philippines called Bicol. Mayon Volcano! These nuts contain all 8 essential amino acids and is an excellent source of magnesium. Everyone was so curious to try it. The nuts are packed at the source, which means they reduce the carbon footprint whilst providing livelihood to the local communities and neighborhoods.
Grabbing them nuts. Yay! Grabbing them nuts.
The pili nut is only produced in the Philippines. We are the only country that produces this in a commercial level.
A swirly combo. A swirly Filipino combo. How do you find it?
Very good. It's really nice.
So you take a bite of that one.
Wow. Perfect.
Really nice. I had to go.
We go for seconds.
Really nice, amazing.
Out of 10, how do you find it?
9.
9. What do you think of it?
I think it was nice, but not really my type of flavor.
Okay then.
But I love the Philippine cuisine, Asian cuisine, everything. I love it.
People started to dip into the nut butter and spread it on the nut and then try it. So the nut butter was actually a neutral taste.
It's not sweet at all. I really like it.
Okay.
Something that you don't really get in UK.
Malcolm, what do you think?
Actually really nice, it's actually really nutty and it's very creamy
Yeah,
as well.
it's like a
First
mixture
time
of
I've had it,
almonds,
but it's also
nuts.
good because it's supporting
Yeah?
Philippine products,
Alright.
which is an amazing thing.
Then when you're done, you can put me
face cream.
It's like face cream.
in there.
Not that I taste face cream
Yeah?
too often. No, it's alright, you know.
It's alright.
So coffee and the pili nut go hand in hand, they're kind of like the yin-yang combo.
Hi, so the coffee that we use today is from Itogon. It's the northern part of the Philippines, near Baguio. And this coffee has been anaerobic fermentation process that brings out a lot of the sugars and chocolateness and also the fruitiness of coffee. So this is really one of a kind and grown only in Itogon.
Hey, so you tried some of the piri nuts and some of the Filipino coffee. How did you find it?
Yeah, it's so good. I'm in love with it. It's really, really nice, really sweet, and yeah, it's good. I don't really like coffee either,
But this one was worth it, yeah? Have you ever been to the Philippines?
No, I've never been to Asia.
Alright, I'm going to teach you some Tagalog today. I'm going to teach you how to say mahal kita.
Okay.
Can you say it?
Mahalo kita.
Mahal kita.
Mahalo kita.
Mahal kita.
Kita.
She got it! Hey! That means I love you.
Oh, thank
so if you see
you.
Filipinos, say mahal kita.
I will.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Hello. How do you find it? Arigato.
Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and next time we make them try Filipino rum.
I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, dog.